Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Pick a native resolution wallpaper and set scaling so icons aren't tiny. Once done, switch to a high contrast or cohesive theme so windows read instantly. Make sure to disable desktop clutter, remove unused shortcuts, and group remaining icons into folders. You'll also want to pin 3-5 frequently used apps to the taskbar for instant access. These first moves make a dramatic visual difference and set a clean stage for the deeper tweaks that follow. Now you refine the user interface. Align your taskbar and decide whether auto-hide creates a minimalist feel or a centered layout balances focus. Next, organize virtual desktops with clear names and attach specific apps to each so context stays consistent. Once configured, tune icon sizes to 3248px and apply a cohesive icon pack if desired. This unifies visual weight across apps. Finally, use consistent margins and a simple widget set to avoid visual noise. Finish by adding subtle animations and smooth scaling so transitions look intentional rather than jarring. You should harmonize colors using a palette tool so accents and backgrounds don't clash. Test in both bright and low light to validate contrast. When everything looks right, save a layout or export settings to reproduce the look later. If things go wrong, stuttering, unreadable text, or misaligned icons, reset the display driver, revert scaling to a previous value, and restart. That usually clears most visual glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.